Did you know that coriander seeds and coriander leaves, they come from the same plant called Coriandrum sativum? I don't, until I did some research on the internet. I know how to use coriander seeds and coriander leaves, and I use them quite a fair bit. I use the coriander leaves as garnishing, and I use coriander seeds to get that nutty, spicy, peppery flavor for my dish. Now today, I'm going to use coriander seeds. I'm going to show you how to use it to flavor a dish, a simple braised chicken and caramelize with a dark soy sauce and making use of the saltiness from a soybean paste. This dish is simple to make at home. I hope you will try it. There are two ingredients that are very important for this dish. One of it is the shallots. You need to have a lot of shallots. I have about 11 shallots in this bowl here. Now the shallots, once it has been caramelized in the sauce, it gives that subtle sweet flavor unlike an onion or garlic. So we need to use a lot of shallots. The second ingredient that is important for this dish is coriander seeds. Now I have coriander seeds in my jar. It has been with me for years. It keeps well in an airtight container. Now coriander seeds, as I have said, it comes from the same plant as the coriander leaves. However, it tastes very different from the coriander leaves. The coriander seeds itself has a spicy, nutty flavor and is savory. Now this is coriander leaves. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. Coriander leaves, I'm going to use it as a garnishing. In North America, coriander leaves and the stem is known as cilantro. And cilantro is a Spanish word. And coriander seeds that we call over here in Australia and most parts of the world, in North America is known as coriander. So don't get confused between those two. Other ingredients that we're going to use is a dark caramelized sauce. This is a Malaysian brand dark caramelized sauce. It's almost the same as the Indonesian sweet ABC sauce, the ABC kecap manis. Salted soybeans. This is a Malaysian brand again. This will give the saltiness, will add the saltiness to the dish. I'm going to add some sugar as well, and I'm going to use, this is cane sugar. I'm going to use about 1 kg of chicken over here. 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Toast the coriander on a low-medium heat. I'm going to ground it. Okay, that's good enough. Tip it out onto the plate here. This is chicken thigh fillet. I'm just going to cut it into half first and then another half. So basically I'm cutting it into quarter. Okay, that's all the chicken that I need to do, and I'll leave it here. With the soybean, I'm going to have about 2 tablespoons, and then what I want to do with this soybean is to use the back of the spoon to gently smash the beans. That way you don't taste the beans as much. That's all the preparation. It's that simple. Now next I want to add is the soybean paste. And the coriander. Next I want to add chicken. So what I want to do next is to add about 1 cup of, this is tamarind water, is tamarind pulp mixed with 1 cup of water. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of cane sugar. While waiting for the liquid to reduce and caramelize for the chicken, I'm going to prepare some coriander leaves as garnishing. I'm just going to use the leaves of the coriander. Now, did you know that coriander seeds comes from the flower? Once the coriander stops flowering, the flowers turn into seeds. That's where coriander seeds come from. Can see it's starting to caramelize. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat now. Sauce is thickened, as you can see. I'm gonna garnish with a little bit of coriander. Now I have some chopped chili in the fridge. I think it'll look nice if I add a little bit of chili in here, just to give it a little bit of color. This chicken dish is super yummy, so tasty. It's salty, it's sweet, and it is fragrantly aromatic with the coriander seeds. If you enjoy watching this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. See you next week. I'm Victor Koo. Thanks for watching.